Soursop is known for not only being very nutrient dense and lower in calories than many other fruits, but also for its unique and impressive health promoting abilities. Drinking soursop tea is an easy way to obtain these nutrients, health benefits, and more. It can be purchased at many natural and health food stores around the world. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of drinking soursop tea regularly. First, as mentioned previously, soursop tea is a nutritional powerhouse that is packed with many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Soursop tea is a great source of vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, thiamin, niacin, and copper, among many others. It is also packed with antioxidants, has antibacterial properties, and is a good source of fiber. Not only is soursop tea an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, but it is also very high in antioxidants. This allows it to reduce inflammation, boost our immune system, and eliminate free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic disease in the process. Soursop contains several different plant compound antioxidants, as well as unique antioxidants such as quercetin, luteolin, and tangeretin. Studies have shown that soursop tea can help to regulate blood sugar levels in the body, which can provide benefits to those with diabetes or those who are at risk of developing diabetes. Research has shown that soursop and soursop tea can reduce blood sugar levels significantly and is less likely to cause blood sugar spikes when consumed. Regular consumption of soursop tea is also very heart healthy and can reduce the risk of heart disease. This is often attributed to the high levels of antioxidants found in it that can reduce free radicals and oxidative stress that can lead to heart disease. As well, soursop tea contains heart-healthy nutrients such as potassium and magnesium, which not only promote heart health, but can help to regulate blood pressure levels. Lastly, consuming soursop tea regularly is a great way to naturally boost our immune system. The antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and high levels of nutrition, including vitamin C, can keep our immune system strong and working efficiently. As well, soursop tea has potent antibacterial properties that can keep our immune system healthy while also helping good bacteria to thrive in the gut. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.